Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WordPress with Bluehost, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Bluehost website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will see several hosting plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Select button. Now, you will be prompted to choose a domain name. Enter your desired domain name in the provided field. If the domain is not next, fill in your account information. Provide your first and last name, email address, and create a password. On the next screen, you will see several package extras. Review these options and select the ones you want. Be aware that some extras may incur additional costs. Once done, you can proceed to the payment section. Fill in your payment details and click on Submit. After your payment is processed, you'll be directed to the Bluehost dashboard. Now, locate and click on the My Sites tab. Next, click on the Create Site button. A setup wizard will appear to guide you through the installation process. On the wizard, enter your site name and tagline. Click Next to proceed. Choose the domain you want to use for your WordPress site. Now, click on Next to start the installation. The system will now automatically install WordPress. This process may take a few moments. Once installed, you will see a success message. Click on Log into WordPress to access your new site. Use the credentials you provided during the sign-up process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.